Students, today we discuss more questions of the exercise 9.3. In the previous lecture, I am discussing the subtopic distance of a point from the line. We have discussed 5 forms of equation of line, many conditions, angle between lines. Today, keeping all that concepts in mind, we are starting with the question number 16 of exercise 10.3. It is if P and Q are the length of perpendicular from the origin to the line x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to k cos 2 theta and x sec theta plus y cosec theta is equal to k, we have to prove that p square plus 4q square is equal to k square. P is the perpendicular distance from origin to the line. So, the question of 60 equation of line is equation of line given is x cos theta y sin theta is equal to k cos of theta, or you can say x cos theta y sin theta minus k cos 2 theta is equal to 0. Now, distance of above line from origin, that is 0 0, is, we place the value of x and y as 0 here, is given by p is equal to, because the point distance is given to us, that is p here, it becomes 0 into cos theta, 0 into sin theta minus k cos 2 theta upon cos square theta plus minus sin theta whole square. In a mod sign, p is equal to k cos 2 theta, it's cos square theta plus sin square theta in a square root, that is 1, minus k cos theta becomes k cos 2 theta upon 1. Now, the equation of the second line given to us is, that is x sec theta plus y cosec theta is equal to k. So, x sec theta plus y cosec theta minus k is equal to 0. Therefore, distance of above line from origin, that is 0 0, is given by q is equal to 0 into sec theta, 0 into cosec theta minus k upon sec square theta plus cosec square theta in a square root. So, q is equal to, it becomes k 1 upon cos square theta, it's 1 upon sin square theta in a square root. Negative k becomes positive because of the sign of the mod. K sin square theta plus cos square theta sin square theta. Q is equal to cos theta sin theta into k upon 1 k cos theta sin theta. Now, if we put them in the left hand side of the expression, we have to prove here, that is p square plus 4 times q square is given by k cos 2 theta whole square, 4 times of k sin theta cos theta whole square, it becomes k square cos square 2 theta, it becomes k square into 4 sin square theta cos square theta, you can write it k square as common, cos square 2 theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta whole square, that is sin 2 theta, k square cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta, which is equal to 1. So, we get here k square, that is the RHS. Clear? If we see the question number 18 of this exercise, P is the length of perpendicular from origin to the line whose intercept on the axis are A and B. Show that 1 upon P square is 1 upon A square plus 1 upon b square. P is the length of perpendicular from origin to the line which cut x is at intercept A and B. Means this point becomes A0 and becomes 0B, length of perpendicular from here, that is P. So how do we prove it? First of all, equation of line with x and y intercept. A and B is given by intercept from x upon A, y upon B is equal to 1. Or you can say bx plus ay is equal to ab by taking LCM. Bx plus ay minus ab is equal to 0. So distance of above line from 0 to 0, that is origin, is given by, it is equal to P B into 0, A into 0 minus AB upon B square plus A square in a square root. This is a mod sign. So P becomes AB upon A square plus B square, squaring both sides. We get P square is equal to A square B square, A square plus B square 1 upon P square, A square plus B square upon A square B square. So it becomes 1 upon P square, A square upon A square B square, B square upon A square B square, is 1 upon P square, 1 upon B square, it's 1 upon A square. That's the expression we have to prove here. Now we begin with the miscellaneous exercise. In the miscellaneous exercise, what do we have in the miscellaneous exercise? If we see the question number 3, asking find the equation of line which cut off intercepts on the exercise with sum and project as 1 and minus 6. Let required equation of line cut x and y intercept B, A and B. Therefore, the sum of these intercept is given as 1 and project is given as minus 6. Now sum and project is given to us. We take the, first we find the difference of these intercepts, that is A minus B. A minus B whole square is equal to A plus B whole square minus 4AB, A minus B whole square, 1 minus 4 into minus 6, it's 25, A minus B is equal to 5. Okay, so solving this first and second, you can say it as third. By first and third, it is plus minus 5. Okay, so प्लस का भी लेते हैं और माइनस का भी लेंगे यहाँ पर. और A minus B is equal to 5, A minus B is equal to minus 5. Call it as third, as fourth, by first and third. It becomes 2A is equal to 6, A is equal to 3, therefore B is equal to minus 2. So equation of line becomes x upon 3, y upon minus 2 is equal to 1, or you can say x upon 3 minus clear. By first and fourth, when A plus B 1, but A minus B is equal to minus 5, then 2A is equal to A is equal to minus 2, therefore B becomes 3 here. So equation of line is x upon minus 2 y upon 3 is equal to 1 minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. So these two equations are formed here. See the question number 8 here. You have to find the area of the triangle formed by lines y minus x is equal to 0, y plus x is equal to 0, x minus k is equal to 0. If you find the area of the triangle which is formed by the lines this, then these three lines will be taken as the sides of the triangle. This first, second and third represent side AB, BC and CA of triangle ABC respectively. Then solving first and second, we get the value of x as 0 and y as 0. Now first equation represents AB and side represent BC. So common point is B here. So point B, therefore it becomes point B is 0, 0. Solving second and third, the value of x is k and y is equal to minus k, and the point common is BC and CA, that is C, therefore point C is k minus k. Now solving first and third here, y minus x and x minus y, x is k, so y is equal to k. A point common is AB and CA as point A is common, therefore point A is k into k. So that's the triangle with the point A coordinates k, point B coordinate 0, 0, point C coordinate k minus k. So area of triangle is given by half x1 y2 minus y3, x y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1, then x3 y1 minus y2. It becomes half k square plus 0 plus k square, half of 2k square, simply k square square unit. Okay, so up to question number 8 you have to try. So try all the question up to with examples of the miscellaneous exercise 10, chapter 10. We discuss more of question in the next lecture. Till then, thank you.